Hello everybody. I'm going to talk about summarize the color in nature. The subtitle is the dynamic role of youth in the natural environment. And the, the summarize in general is all colors are important in nature because it can ensure the survival of the species. Um, the animals have sensory abilities which can detect certain colors. The sensory capabilities of animals have evolved to detect certain patterns of colors. We have three receptors color. It is blue, red, and green. And animals spectral additional colors. And coloration is an important adaptation, which can mean the difference between life and death for the animals. The predators would not be able to survive if they were able to detect colors of camouflaged prey. The bright colors of some species scare predator in seconds. In conclusion, the summaries the color playing an important role around the notion because each color as a meaning represents something specific and used to determine functions. Thank you.